Welcome to Knowledge Update channel. This video has been created as a part of series of videos with respect to creating awareness with on Ind AS practical issues and solutions. These are based on ITFG, that is Ind AS Transition Facilitation Group made by ICI for providing solution to certain particular issues on transition to Ind AS. Ind AS 12 income taxes. Uh, this video focus on one of the very pertinent issue with respect to creation of deferred tax on assets, that is land. So let us look at the issue. The fact of case is such, it says that a freehold land, so we are talking about a freehold land, is held by PQR Ltd, which it expects to sell on slump sale basis. So uh, the focus here is that in under Ind AS, deferred tax is required to be created if there is a difference between tax base of asset and carrying amount of asset. So with respect to the land, which is a non-depreciable asset, is there a need to create deferred tax? So the PQR Limited has entered into similar slump sale arrangement in past. So the information which is relevant is that the asset in question is non-depreciable asset. Second, it expects to sell in a slump sale, and there is a tendency from looking into the past situation that the similar lump sale agreement has been entered into by the company in the past. Now question whether PQR is required to recognize deferred tax asset on land in such case. So I think first there are two main aspects of recognition of deferred tax asset or liability. Two steps. First step is about determination of tax base, and second aspect is on measurement of temporal differences. So first we identify what is the tax base of asset, and the difference between tax base of asset and carrying amount of asset is a temporary difference. For creation of deferred tax asset or liability, the temporary difference is required to be measured by applying the applicable tax rate. Generally for land, the indexation benefit is available. So if you just look at indexation benefit available for land, it may amount to rising of deferred tax or temporary differences. However, now let us look at the paragraph which focuses on recognition of temporal difference. Paragraph 5 says that temporary differences are differences between carrying amount of an asset or liability in the balance sheet and tax base. So that's a fundamental proposition that first you have to look at temporary difference, and it's difference in tax base and carrying amount. How to determine tax base? So for tax base of asset, it says that the amount which is deductible as for tax is a tax base. Now here we need to also consider the measurement aspects. Amount which is deductible for taxation for land in general case can be indexation, because as every year passes on, the value of asset which is deductible in income tax increases. So if you take that particular tax base, then there is a temporary difference. However, we also need to consider the measurement aspects or guidance provided in paragraph 51. Paragraph 51 of Ind AS 12, if you just do analysis, it means that for creation of deferred asset is also dependent upon tax consequences that will follow on the basis of expected manner of recovery or settlement of asset liability. Now, what is expected manner of recovery or settlement? The question here talks about a situation where the asset may be sold through slump sale, and the information which is provided mention that the company has tendency of selling such kind of land in a slump sale. So expected manner of recovery or settlement is by way of slump sale, and if the slump sale happens, in that case indexation benefit is not available. So as the indexation benefit is not available, if we conclude based on facts and circumstances, in such case tax base of land will be same as the carrying amount of land. So where the tax base of land is same like carrying amount of land, they both are equal. So there is no temporary difference. Hence, there won't be requirement to create any deferred tax asset or liability. So, friends, that is the one point which I would like to highlight, which is from ITFG. And if you have any suggestions, any questions, please feel free to be in touch with me. And thank you so much for being connected with me through YouTube channel. Thank you.